So guys, today is a weekend. My kids asked for a treat, but I did not have enough cash, so I decided to do this. Today we are roasting T-bone and giving them wench potatoes. So join me as we do this, and kindly remember to subscribe, like, and also share our videos loud. Guys, road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. So now I pan fried my beef. This is a piece which is very nice, very tender. Just put some little oil and let it cook, and add some spices there. Look the way my meat is, guys. Use a fork to check whether it is ready. Yeah, like now my meat is very ready. Look at that color. Look at the way it's coming out, guys. Yeah, so this one is ready for serving. Very ready for serving. Next, guys, now our wedge potato. So here my potatoes, I added some turmeric, cayenne pepper, spice it with cayenne pepper, chili. The chili not be too hot for the kids, so just fry with little oil. The last bunch. These potatoes you can serve with the chicken, you can serve with the beef, like the roasted meat. In my case today, I decided to serve with the roasted meat because, you just spice it up, and also you want to change what the kids or what your family is used to. So continue turning until the potatoes are hard and tender. I like the way they are coming out. So guys, my potatoes are very ready. Very, very ready to be served. You can also add some kachumbari on the side. And now my potatoes are served. We have our potatoes, we have our mushroom, and also our beef. So thank you so much for joining my channel, and remember to watch my videos to the end. Remember to subscribe. Look at the way they are coming out. Yeah, very nice, very more. So see you in another video. For now, adios amigos.